LF communication using Murata's LF antennas. Usage examples of stable, accurate wireless communication using magnetic fields. Let's take a look at data communication. The mechanism of data communication using LF communication enables a small amount of data to be transmitted to a receiving tag that has entered a magnetic field generated by a transmitting antenna. Data communication usage example. If we utilize this mechanism, mounting a transmitting antenna to a water meter installed underground allows us to transmit recorded data in the meter to the receiving tag just by a worker standing over the measuring point. Highly accurate position detection technology using LF communication is expected to be applied to various fields in addition to data communication. Please feel free to contact us for inquiries and details about Murata's LF antennas.